Hi friends, WhatsApp has released a new feature called polls. In this video, we will see how to use it. It's more useful for a group where there are multiple people. Now to create a poll, go to the group, click on this attachment icon or pin icon and select the poll at the bottom. Now you can type a question and add options and submit. The other guys gets the poll. You can select yes or no, or you can select both or multiple, and you can see the vote here. Here's one such poll. If you click on view details, you'll see who all has voted for yes and who all voted for no, and depending on that you can take a decision. It's a very useful feature that WhatsApp has released. Go try it out and see how you can use it.